In this episode, we are continuing our G.I. Joe July celebration here at the channel, and we're going to be taking a look at a figure that I never had as a kid, and I'm super excited to have him in classified form, and that is Dial Tone. So, stick around. Hello, fellow dorks and dorkettes, and welcome to It Came From My Side of the Laundry Room. My name is Rob, and like I said, we are still celebrating G.I. Joe July here at the channel. And we are going to be enlisting Dial Tone in this episode. Yeah, I never had him as a kid, and I always wanted him. I don't know what it was. I think the beret, maybe? Maybe the colors of his vest or something. Something just really appealed to me about this character. I mean, he had some really unique hardware. His backpack, his machine gun was super awesome. But like I said, something appealed to me, but I never had him in my collection. But we have him now, and I'm super excited to take a look at him. So let's head over here and crack this baby open. Yo, Joe! Okay, folks, here is Dial Tone. And like I said, I never had him as a kid, always wanted him, and I'm so excited to finally have him. Not the original, of course, but this is the next best thing. So here's all of his gear laid out, and we'll equip him in a second. But first, let's take a look at the figure up close. He's got an earpiece in. Does his beret come off? It does. Sharp haircut. You know, I loved berets in the 80s. I always wanted one. I mean, everything from Flint to him to the action movies we were watching, berets were everywhere and they were awesome. But never was able to get one. Okay, his knife goes here. Now, I assume his what is this, a Zune or something? Looks like he's listening to music on it. Does that go in here? Looks like it does. Nice. Great grenades on here. He comes with one of these super duper spy sound picker 'em upper things. Comes with his awesome backpack. Wow. Looks like there's a hole here. I wonder if he was supposed to have a hose or something, or is this plug into it? Oh, it's not a hole, it's just painted that way. Look at the detail on this thing. Wow. I mean, it looks like it should open up. But it does not. But they did just such a good job making that. He's got a watch. And like with Leatherneck, he comes with a walkie-talkie that he can't take out of the holster. That would be awesome if he could. And he comes with a pretty boss submachine gun. And I had to consult with the packaging because, look at that, went in easy peasy. Because it has this weird bit right here. But that is to put his iPad or iPod so he can listen to music while he's wrecking fools. I'm just joking. Here we go. Pretty cool. It's a very slick figure. I might switch out his gun so he can keep this in his pocket. I hate empty pockets for some reason. And I know this thing has a name. I just can't think of it at the moment. I mean, it's not a megaphone, it's to pick up sounds from a distance. So let's look at the original, which I don't have, of course, as I've said multiple times. So through the magic of technology, we'll plop it right there. Bing! So, I mean, he looks pretty good compared to the original. Colors, of course, are a little bit different. They always mute the colors, I've noticed, on the figures. I mean, like, the green isn't as rich as it was in the original. It's still awesome. Still has the beret, looks perfect. I mean, we can't even compare the backpack. It has the same feature of the swinging arm here. And he came with a submachine gun, which I always thought was nice. Now, on the original, a lot of the things on his belt and on his legs and stuff had silver highlights. The only thing silver is this band right here. I mean, in his belt buckle. But he has the same patch on the shoulder. The bandolier with the grenades, I mean, great. And they're silver too. Didn't mean to exclude them. But, I mean, awesome to finally have the communications expert of G.I. Joe in my collection. And, yeah, I wouldn't think out of all of the top 10 greatest G.I. Joe figures that would come to Classified, the Dial Tone would be up there. I mean, there's some other really heavy hitters they haven't done yet, and I'm surprised. I mean, I'm happy that they did it, but it's certain characters like this that I kind of want to know what their rhyme and reason for releasing them are. But anyway, I think it's perfect. It's a great reproduction of the original figure, and so happy to finally have him. So anyway, back to me for final thoughts. Okay, folks, I hope you enjoyed that episode. That was a look at Dial Tone, and like I said multiple times, always wanted him as a kid, never had him. So super happy to have him now in classified form. And I mean, what a unique character to throw into the classified line. I mean, when you're talking about some of the heavy hitters of G.I. Joe, Dial Tone probably isn't coming up on many lists, but they delivered, and super awesome for it. Great figure, great accessories, and yeah, such a great throwback to the original version. This was a figure I had laying around for a little bit, but I was holding off on G.I. Joe July to finally crack him open, and I was excited to finally do it. So thank you for taking a look at him with me, and I hope you enjoyed the episode. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you got something to say, please leave a comment. I love reading them, and I love getting back to everyone. And if you're new around here and you enjoyed this, or any of the episodes that YouTube is recommending down here, please hit subscribe. And if you hit that little bell icon, you'll be notified whenever there's a new episode. So anyway, thanks for watching. Keep being rad, and stay dorky.